Hi there. I'm just going to do a quick little demo of the new 30-ounce press. I'm actually going to press a 20-ounce tumbler in it because that's what I have right here. I've almost got it all taped up, and I'm just going to finish taping it. We are going to press it at 356 for 45 seconds, and then we'll turn it and press it for another 20 seconds. This will just take me a minute here to get it all taped. My seams are never good. No fault of the press. I'm gonna just see if I can get this one better than the last one I did. I'm still learning. And my last one, I didn't tape the top. I think I will on this time, just because I'm showing you. Let's see if we can't get it all perfect so I can have a nice tumbler. This one's for myself, so just going to show you a new design. Do you like that new design, Mike? Huh? Do you like this? Okay, almost done. I videoed the last one, but I forgot to press play. Or record. It's been a long day. Okay, looks really good. Okay, and then I'll do the same to the bottom. These are the new tumblers that we have in stock. They're really nice. I hope you're seeing this. Yeah, I think you are. I think this is the longest part of the whole thing, taping. I'm sure you guys have a better way to do this, but there we go. Okay, so it looks taped up pretty good. Okay.
Press preheated?
Yep, it's all preheated. We're going to press it, like I said, at 356 Fahrenheit. And that in. Okay, and this press is a silent press, so you're not going to hear any beeping. As soon as you close it, the timer's going to start. It doesn't shut off automatically, so once it gets to 0, you're going to want to open it. 16. I guess you can see that. Okay, I'm going to throw my glove on. And press it again for 20 more seconds. It's pretty fast once you get going. I really like making these, so I'm just gonna keep trying to get better at it. Okay, I went past 20 seconds, but that's okay. Okay, I'm gonna turn that off.
Hot.
Yes, very hot. Okay. This all peeled without burning myself. It's very hot. Trying to figure out the best way to do this.
What if you had a little blade or something?
Huh?
At least you get the cake started.
Yeah, that's probably a really good idea.
Of course it is.
I used to have fingernails. I cut them all off today, so.
Oh, you did as well. I found my new clippers.
Almost done. Three more. Oh my. Okay. There we go. One little piece of tape left. There we go. Oh my God. Wow. So there's the top. My bad seam. Actually, it's not too bad. I'll just keep working on that. And the bottom. And that's my new design. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you guys like it. The design and the machine. We'll talk to you later.
Did I have a big help?
No, you're chewing away.
It's really nice, though, Chris.
You like the design?
Mm-hmm.
What an amazing press. And my seam was a lot better.
I wouldn't even be able to tell.
Yeah. Okay, I should go and put it on the spinner.
Mm-hmm. So, did you cut it off?